This is the Maktime Chronograph 43mm, produced 2010, and we managed to get some original factory stock watches. They are totally unused, just serviced by our watchmakers. They have a stainless steel case with 43mm diameter, mineral crystal, 22mm bandwidth, and the black dial with luminous numbers. Maktime produced these watches in 2010. They bought the producing machines from Poljot in Moscow, and in 2012 they went bankrupt. So these are quite rare watches, which are very difficult to get on the market, especially in a new condition like this, with the original Poljot 3133 caliber.